Armaxan press brakes are machined with high precision. Bodies of machines are structured in a way to keep its sturdy structure and longevity for years, to be used heavily in manufacturing environment. Fully automated vacuum systems are produced by using worldwide recognized components. Special design pneumatic sheet weighing and thickness measurement system, designed and developed by Armaxan's engineers, provide safe automation bands. Vacuum systems supported by servo drive motors help move main body of sheet following systems easily along the bending line. Armaxan heavy-duty special pole bending tandem press brake machine is designed to be able to bend poles in different lengths and dimensions easily and automatically, tailor-made to meet customers' expectations. CNC-controlled, new design hydromechanic crowning system helps to get same desired angle across the sheet. – 1500mm throat depth gives you extended room to bend poles with bigger diameters. Machine components consist of special grinded and hardened adapters and top and bottom tools. Sheet followers are automatically designed to withdraw itself away from bending line before bending starts, which prevents sheet to get stuck during bending. CNC controllers are designed ergonomically to move around machine with extended cords on wheels and a table to increase operators' efficiency and accessibility. Enhanced sheet extraction system helps operator to unload bent completed pole easily from the machine to an additional table. In order to get solid result with special design sheet following system, servo-driven motors are used in R-axis movement. Worldwide recognized light guards are used to allocate safety standards. Long-lasting and durable Armaxan press brakes are designed to be used for deeper and stronger bends, which makes the right choice.